In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk archive old messages using Gmail. This is a simple yet effective way to clear out your inbox, making it easier to focus on more recent or important emails. A clean inbox can significantly improve your productivity and help you stay organized. To get started, open your Gmail account and direct your attention to the search field at the top of the page. This search bar is a powerful tool that allows you to find and filter emails quickly. We'll use it to locate all messages received before a certain date. Type the following into the search bar. Before 2025-10-15. You can adjust this date based on your specific needs. Using this filter ensures that only older emails are displayed, leaving your newer messages untouched. Once your filtered emails appear, you'll want to select them. Look for the small checkbox at the top left corner of the email list and click it. This will select all the emails visible on the first page. If you have more emails than are shown on the first page, Gmail will provide an option to select all conversations matching your search criteria. Be sure to click this option if you want to archive every single email that fits your filter. With all your emails selected, the next step is to archive them. Find the archive button located above your email list. It usually looks like a small box with a downward facing arrow or an open lid. Click it, and all selected emails will be removed from your main inbox view. Don't worry, they aren't deleted. They remain safely stored in your All Mail section, so you can access them later through search or by browsing all messages. Archiving old emails has multiple benefits. It declutters your inbox, making it easier to prioritize and respond to important messages. It also reduces stress and creates a more organized workspace within Gmail. For even better organization, consider using labels to categorize archived emails based on topics, projects, or senders. This way, finding specific messages later becomes fast and effortless. You can repeat this process regularly, perhaps once a month or quarter, depending on how many emails you receive. Over time, this habit will ensure your inbox stays tidy, organized, and highly efficient. A clean inbox also improves your Gmail performance, making searches faster and reducing distractions. By following these steps, you've now learned how to effectively use Gmail's features to bulk archive old messages. Maintaining a well-organized inbox is a simple habit that pays off in productivity and peace of mind. Give it a try and see the difference it makes in your daily email management. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.